Welcome to your fourth Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over string literals, scope, and lifetime of variables. Literals are constant values. Java allows any simple data type to be a literal. It also supports string literals. Okay guys, I do want to discuss something. It's called scope, and that requires me to pull up a program. So we'll just create a new one for this lesson. File, new Java project. Let's name this Java Lesson 4. Add our package. Lesson 4. Okay. Add our class. We're going to name it main. Hit OK. Really, I'm supposed to make that a capital. So right click, rename, and it changes the name over here. I'll show you guys that again. If I change this to be a capital M, my class name, hover over it, and under one of the two quick fixes, click on the name recompile, and it'll recompile the Java to be a capital M, main Java. Just a useful trick. Alright guys, a block of code is begun with a curly bracket. So our code's life cycle, our scope, runs from here to here. If we have our main method, our method's lifetime runs from here to here. Let's say we have data variables declared up here, and then another variable declared right here. This variable's lifetime lasts from here to here, and this variable only lasts from inside of this method. Once it reaches here, it dies, because it doesn't exist outside of this method because it's not declared inside of the class. Does that make sense? A variable's lifetime is very limited. A variable's scope only lasts from whatever method and or class that it's in, so it can make a variable's lifetime or scope very short. Just wanted to explain that. So when I say this variable's scope is gone, or this class's scope only lasts until here, then you'll know what I mean. Alright? In the last tutorial I had mentioned casting, and I want to go into a more in-depth lesson over that, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. Alright. So we've already created our main method. Let's go into this method and give ourselves a couple variables. Double x and y, byte, b, int I, and char ch. Alright. Let's set x equal to 10.0. Let's set y equal to 3.0. I equals int, then x divided by y. Cast a double to an int like we did in the last one. System.out.println. And put integer outcome of x divided by y. Then give yourself a plus, and then put I, the variable. Let's put I equal to 100 now, and put B be in the byte. Let's convert. Alright, now if we look at this, we actually lose no information. No loss of data here. Because a byte can handle the number 100. So if we do a system.out, oops, forgot to start it with a parenthesis. Value of b, plus I. Alright, let's run this puppy. Normally, the value of x 10 divided by 3 is 3 point blah 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 blah, but with just an int variable which cannot handle a decimal place, it just rounds it off to 3. Because the byte is a value of negative 128 to positive 127, and int is just a larger form of that, there's actually no need to do a conversion. The only thing we're doing right now is just making our data smaller, so it makes our code more efficient. In our next tutorial, we're going to be working on getting user input. I'll see you guys then.